So this is my coffee selling website. Can you see this chatbot? I used a free plugin which is powered by ChatGPT. So it can literally answer any question. So if I ask it, why is Rohan's coffee better than Starbucks? It can give a detailed answer like this. And I can even ask it follow-up questions and have a full conversation here. Even if I ask it any vague question like this one, it can totally answer it, which is pretty awesome, right? But there's one thing that's actually cooler. So let me open another tab. And as you can see, I have the free chatbot here as well. But I've programmed it to behave like Yoda. Not very complicated, no coding involved, just a few things I selected. So if I ask it a question, and look, it's answering like Yoda. How cool is that? Alright, so long story short, this free AI chatbot can do a lot of cool things, and I'll show you how to use it. But before that, you should know that adding more plugins and more features, all of this slows down your site, and then your visitors also start bouncing off, and Google also punishes you with less visibility. So before I show you how to add this AI chatbot to your site, let's just take a minute. Let us go open Google PageSpeed and add your website URL to it. If you're getting a score less than 90, then your site is already too slow, and we need to fix this before we add a chatbot to it. Now there's a few speed plugins in the market, but they're either paid or they have hundreds of settings, which makes my head roll. So my team made our very own speed plugin called Airlift, which is completely free. Unlike me, they've built successful plugins before, so you can trust that they know their stuff. So after installing Airlift, you just need to add your site, and then it starts doing everything needed to make your site up to 3 times faster, so that you can get a 90 plus score like you can see here. There's no hidden conditions here. You can keep it activated for free and keep your site fast. Alright, now that we're sure that we're not going to have a slow site, let me show you how to add a free AI chatbot to it. So first, let's head to a WordPress dashboard. On your menu on the left sidebar, let's hover over plugins and select add new plugin. Then this will take you to the plugin page where we need to search for Meow Apps Chatbot. Now you'll see this AI agent plugin from Jordy Meow. So go ahead and click install and then activate. Now once that's done, take a look at your menu on the left sidebar and you should see the plugin here right below settings. So go there and hover over it. You'll see the dashboard and the AI engine. Select AI engine. This will open the settings page for your AI engine that's powered by ChatGPT. It has a box with all these little tabs on top. So this is where we'll set the chatbot up. First things first, you need to link your ChatGPT account to this AI engine. So let's click on the settings tab. And the first thing you see here is environments for AI with OpenAI underneath. And you'll also see this empty box that's asking for an API key. So let's click the link below it, which will take us to our OpenAI account. Then you'll see a button to create a new secret API key. So go ahead and click it. And you'll see this pop up with your new API key. So let's go ahead and copy it, come back and paste your API key here. Then this page will auto reload. This means everything is going smoothly and ChatGPT has successfully linked with the plugin. So now let's set up a chatbot. So let's click the tab labeled chatbot and then take a look at these options. I recommend using the preview toggle switch on the top right so you can see and try out the changes that you're making. So the first option is for your main settings. This is where you can tell ChatGPT how you want your chatbot's responses to be. So as you can see, it's already autofilled to be friendly and creative. And depending on what you want for your website, what type of website you have, you can make it knowledgeable, bubbly, funny, or even sarcastic. So let's be fun and have it chat like Yoda, like I showed you in the intro. So I'll put the preview toggle on and the chat box here on the right is there. And let's try it out. So if I ask it a question like this, okay, and there, you see the responses like that. Also, one thing that's very underrated about using an AI chatbot is that there is no language barrier anymore. Even if you yourself don't speak Spanish or any other language, your chatbot can. So if somebody from another language comes to your website and asks a question, your chatbot can still answer it. Alright, now next in the main settings is your visual settings. Here you can give your chatbot a name and a starting sentence. So let me call it Yoda and I'll change my starting sentence to this. Alright. Now, of course, you can customize yours as you want. Below that is a username and we can let that be for now. I'm going to call it this. Now, underneath you'll see 3 checkboxes. If you want your chatbot to be a pop-up on your website, you can check the box next to it. And if you want your customer or website visitor to be able to expand the chat to fill the screen, you can check the full screen box too. We can also see a few picture icons below that. So click on any to select it as your icon, and you'll be able to see all these changes as you make them in the chat preview. Now below the visual settings, we have the pop-up settings. Here you can choose where you want to add your chatbot to appear on the screen. So let's pick the option from the drop down menu. I like it on the bottom right, so I'll leave that as it is. If you're picky about colors, you can even customize your chatbot to fit the colors of your website. Here on the top right is the toggle button for your theme editor. So let's go ahead and toggle it on. You'll see another box appear that lets you change colors, font size, and even spacing. You have absolute control. Now under AI settings, you can adjust the temperature, which just means how creative it's going to be. So setting it at 0.8 will make its responses diverse and creative, but also a little less focused. So if I ask it a question like this, so you can see it's kind of creative but also generic in nature. And if I make it 0.2, the responses are going to become more direct and focused. The key is finding the right balance to fit your needs, and you can test that out here. Now, next to the temperature box, you can set the maximum tokens, which is the words, maximum number of messages, to keep things within your budget. Again, you have control here, but you can still do plenty more. Like you can train the AI to answer specific questions. So return to your dashboard and you'll see an option called fine tunes. Click the box next to it to enable the train AI feature. Now a new tab called fine tunes will open. So let's go over there. And here on the top left, there's a toggle button that says models and datasets. So click it to toggle to dataset editor. Now you can see the option to enter questions and specific answers that your AI chatbot can use to generate specific answers. So since my website deals with coffee, some of the common questions are going to be what's the best coffee? So I'll put that in. Now for the answer, I'm going to put down recommendations like this. Now my chatbot is basically armed with good information to give the kind of answer I wanted to give. Now, another helpful feature is to save conversations so that customers can come back to them. Let me show you how to do that. So just go to settings and under the chatbot section, check the box to enable discussions, which is a really helpful feature, I think. Now, if you decide to buy Meow App's Pro version, they do give you some extra cool features. For example, you can make your chat box content aware. That means that it will know what's going on your website and be able to discuss it in detail. So to do that, under AI settings, just click on the chatbot tab and you'll see this checkbox to enable it. And if you'd like to have more control over the chat and results, you have a couple of more options here. So let's click the dashboard tab and the first tab to see what they are. Checking this box lets you monitor statistics on things like what your chatbot was asked most about. Another useful pro feature is forms. So you can use this to create a form that your chatbot will use to ask your customers specific questions. And it can then use the answers to generate suggestions, which is also definitely useful for a website that has a lot of options or products like My Coffee Store. One of the important things to note is that while this plugin is free, ChatGPT gives you some free credits for a while, and then you have to pay a small amount for it. Also, hear me out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you our new free plugin that triples your site speed. You're really going to thank me for this one, so click here and I'll see you there.